Here's an emergency sleeping bag. I got this from Mart Cobra. They sent it to me so I could try it out. It's really thin and small, so great for storage, but I'm excited to see how it actually works. It says it retains up to 90% of body heat, compact, travel shelter, and insulation. Definitely compact. It's non-toxic and reusable material, waterproof and windproof. It's 84 inches by 36 inches, weighs about 4 ounces. So not waiting for an emergency, gonna try it right now.
The heat back into you, I guess.
It does have this bag that you can put it in.
It's pretty big enough.
Yeah, it's nice and big.
Something. Let's see, how do you get into it? Okay, so you can open it up where there is no black tape. You could be 7 foot tall.
Nice and big.
You step into it, walk right in, pull it up as high as you like it. And with the reflective, it's going to retain the heat. You just lay on the ground, which I want to lay on the couch.
There we go.
Nighty-night.
How's it feel?
It's getting warmer in here already. Your body heat reflects off the foil on the inside, and then you get the Mylar plastic. It's gonna keep any wind or cold off you. You'd survive.
We just had a 4-day power outage after a storm, so made me really think about having things like this on hand.
This would be nice to have in your car. If your car got stalled in the wintertime, you could survive by keeping warm. If the car's not running, no heat, your body heat would help keep you survive. With a little effort and tight folding, it does fit back into its bag.
There we go. Now that it's all packed up, nice and small, it fits nicely right in my glove box. And it's one of those things that hopefully you absolutely never need, but it feels a little better knowing that you do.